Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Adriana for all the new subbies. So on today's video, I want to talk about another amazing product that I got from Glamcor. Now, as you guys see my vanity mirror, I did a full review on it and everything and tell you guys everything that it does. So I'll link you guys down below or on the video if I figured out how to do it. But on today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Multimedia Extreme Lighting Kit. This amazing kit is perfect for anyone that blogs, does freelance, or anything that you need on the go, that you create videos or go live or anything like that. So I'm going to show you guys the packaging that it comes in. So you get it in this big old bag, and in the back right here you have like to put something in there, a little pocket, and it says Multimedia Extreme Glamcor. So it has two zippers, one at the top and one at the bottom. The one at the bottom is where you will get your stand, and at the top is where you get your lights. So let me open it so you guys can see. Here's some of the attachments that come in. You get your universal camera clip. You will also get your iPad clip, which is also universal. Everything here is universal, girl. Then you will also get your phone clip, and best of all, you get a remote control, which allows you to control the temperature, the power, and so on. And you get your power adapter, which is really important. I love the fact that it comes with a control remote because you can control every aspect of your lights, from the lights to dim or to brighten up. And it also has 3 slots for memory. So number 1 can be like for filming in the bedroom, number 2 filming outside, 3, and so on. And I love the fact that you can change the temperature in the settings, so you can go as warm or bright and blue as you wish. So now I'm going to show you guys some clips of how I install it and how the lighting looks. I'm going to show you guys how quickly you can set this up. And the best thing about it that I love is that if you spend hours filming or anything, your lights do not get hot. So when it's time to put it away, you're ready, to go. So you don't have to wait if it's hot or anything like that. But it's extremely easy to set up, and it's so freaking flexible, which is my favorite part. Alright, so I have the lights off. I'm still being recorded by my other camera, but I'm going to turn it on with my control. And then right now I have like white and yellow, so I'm going to full blast. Let's see what's full blast. Hurts. Alright, so that's on full blast, and right now I still have it on yellow and white. So I'm going to make them full white, which is kind of like blue. You can change, stop whenever you want, like whenever you feel like it, that you like the temperature. So that's full blue. Alright, so now I'm gonna turn down the temperature to yellow, and seriously, it changes it quick. I love this color. So I just love how you can memorize each setting, which depending on where you're at, then there you go. And you can also just click the one that says 2.7K, which is that one that you guys will see right now, and then this one. That one's like between yellow and white, and then the 5K, it's this. So I love how it already has settings for you, but you can memorize the ones that you like. So I'm gonna put it back on full blast. I'm gonna put it back like halfway, but it's so bright, you guys. I feel like this is a must-have for someone that likes to travel, that does makeup, that does lashes, that does brows, tattoos, yoga, or any type of form that you like to record yourself, work, or anything. This is really good for me since I do freelance as a makeup artist. I used to have my ring light, but girl, that is so heavy. It is not at all friendly to take anywhere, because
it's a freaking ring light. You know, it's so big. I still use it in my studio to film and all that in my bedroom, but as I tried it to take it to, you know, a client's house, and it's like, it's so big, then I switched to a softbox, and like, it's so big and bulky. But this one, like, it has its own little package, it has its own little bag. You can just put it in there, and it's really quick and easy on the go. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was really helpful for you. I'll leave all the information down below, and I also have I think 10 or 15% off for you guys, so make sure you guys click the link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.